Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we will discuss about the physiology of storage and voiding. The primary role of the bladder is to store urine produced by the kidneys and excreted through the ureters, and to subsequently eliminate the urine outside the body through the urethra. Now, the function of storage is made possible by several factors, including first, intrinsic factors to the bladder, such as the ability of its elastic smooth muscle fibers to stretch as the volume of urine distends its capacity. Second, extrinsic factors to the bladder, including excitatory neurologic stimuli that constrict the proximal urethra and urethral sphincter, and inhibitory neurologic stimuli that inhibit the detrusor muscle of the bladder. This reservoir function of the bladder, which in effect translates into its continence mechanism, is dependent on the proper functioning of the autonomic, that is sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, and the somatic nervous system. Now, during the filling phase, the sympathetic nervous system through the lumbar region of the spinal cord sends inhibitory signals to the beta receptor in the bladder to relax, and excitatory signals to the smooth muscles of the trigone and urethra to contract. As the bladder gets distended, afferent fibers from the bladder send impulses to the central nervous system through the pelvic nerve to the sacral spinal cord. This initiates two types of impulses, one that is transmitted horizontally via the micturition reflex back to the bladder, and another that is transmitted vertically up to the brain. The latter will make one of two conscious decisions. If it is socially inappropriate to initiate micturition, it will send excitatory impulses via the pudendal nerve to contract the pelvic floor muscles, and external urethral sphincter, and inhibitory impulses to supplement the function of sympathetic system. Alternatively, the brain may decide it is an opportune time to eliminate the urine. In this instance, it will send voluntary impulses to the striated muscles to relax the pelvic floor and urethral sphincter. It will also send facilitative impulses to the pontine micturition center to release its bladder inhibition. This transmits impulses down the spinal cord to activate the sacral micturition reflex via the parasympathetic system, resulting in stimulation of the cholinergic receptors and bladder contraction while the urethra is relaxed. Thank you for listening. Thank you.